How handle death in Islam, Christianity, Judaism, and Hinduism. The series. What happens in the first few minutes after a Muslim dies might surprise you. Death is something every human will face, but different religions handle it in very different ways. In this series, we're exploring what happens after death in major religions. Today, Part 1, we look at Islam. Section 1, the moment of death. When a Muslim is close to death, family members gather around them. They gently remind the person to say the Shahada. There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger. The moment death arrives, those present say, "Indeed, we belong to Allah, and to him we shall return." This is believed to be the most important final statement of faith. Once the person passes away, the eyes are gently closed, and the body is treated with deep respect. There is no delay. Everything that follows happens quickly. Section 2. Washing the body, Ghusl. The body is then washed in a ritual called Ghusl. This is done by close family members or trained members of the community. The body is cleaned carefully, respectfully, and modestly. It's not just physical cleaning, it's spiritual preparation for meeting God. Section 3. Shrouding, Kafan. After washing, the body is wrapped in a simple white cloth called a kafan. No expensive clothing, no display of wealth. In Islam, everyone returns to God in simplicity. Rich or poor, all are equal. Section 4. Funeral prayer, Salat, al-Janazah. Next comes the funeral prayer, known as Salat al-Janazah. The community gathers, standing shoulder to shoulder, praying for the deceased. There is no bowing or prostration, only sincere supplication, asking Allah for mercy and forgiveness. Section 5. Burial. The burial usually takes place as soon as possible, often within 24 hours. The body is placed directly in the ground, facing the direction of Mecca. No elaborate coffins are required, just earth to earth, returning to where we came from. Section 6. After burial. After burial, prayers continue. Family and friends may stay for a while, making dua for the deceased. In Islam, death is not the end. It's the beginning of the hereafter, a transition from this life to the next. Ultra. That's what happens when a Muslim dies. In the next part, we'll explore what happens in Judaism, how their traditions compare. If you want to understand different cultures and beliefs, subscribe and stay with us for the full series.